Need a quick cleaning solution? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best cordless handheld vacuums, comparing performance, battery life, and value to help you choose the right one. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Shark Cyclone Pet Handheld Vacuum, Navy Blue/Gray, CH701 HyperVelocity Suction, Powerful Pet Hair, Home and Car Cleaning, Lightweight, Crevice Tool and Multi-Surface Pet Tool. The Shark Cyclone Pet Handheld Vacuum is designed for pet owners and anyone who needs a lightweight, powerful vacuum for quick cleanups around the house or inside the car. Equipped with HyperVelocity Suction, a multi-surface pet tool, and a crevice tool, it easily removes pet hair, dust, crumbs, and everyday debris from furniture, stairs, carpets, car seats, and tight spaces. Its compact, cordless design makes it easy to grab whenever small messes appear, while the lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. In everyday use, the strong suction performs well on upholstery, hard floors, vehicle interiors, and pet beds, making it especially useful for homes with dogs or cats. The included pet tool lifts stubborn hair from fabric surfaces, while the crevice attachment reaches between cushions, under seats, and other narrow areas that larger vacuums often can't access. The easy-to-empty dust cup simplifies maintenance, and the cordless design provides excellent portability throughout the home. While it's intended for quick cleanups rather than whole-house deep cleaning, it delivers dependable performance for everyday messes. Overall, the Shark Cyclone Pet Handheld Vacuum is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a lightweight, powerful handheld vacuum that handles pet hair, car interiors, and everyday cleaning with ease. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER, Dustbuster AdvancedClean Handheld Vacuum Cordless, Compact Home and Car Vacuum with Crevice Tool, Rotating Nozzle, and Charging Station. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean Handheld Vacuum is a compact cordless vacuum built for fast, convenient cleaning around the home and inside the car. Featuring strong suction, a rotating slim nozzle, an integrated crevice tool, and a convenient charging station, it easily handles dust, crumbs, dirt, and small debris on furniture, shelves, countertops, stairs, and vehicle interiors. In real-world use, the rotating nozzle helps reach awkward corners and tight spaces, while the pull-out crevice tool makes cleaning between couch cushions, under car seats, and along baseboards much easier. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during extended use, and the charging dock keeps the vacuum fully charged and ready whenever it's needed. Although it's not designed to replace a full-size upright vacuum for deep carpet cleaning, it excels at quick daily pickups and spot cleaning around the house. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean Handheld Vacuum is an excellent choice for American buyers seeking a dependable cordless handheld vacuum that combines portability, convenience, and strong everyday cleaning performance for both home and car use. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum, Home, Auto and Pet, 2398 Lithium-ion Battery for consistent power, ideal for home, auto and upholstery pet hair pickup. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum is designed specifically for pet owners who need a fast and effective way to remove pet hair and everyday messes around the home or inside the car. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent cordless performance while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. The vacuum includes specialized pet tools that help lift stubborn fur from upholstery, stairs, pet beds, and vehicle seats, making it an excellent companion for homes with dogs or cats. Its compact design also makes storage simple when it's not in use. In everyday use, the pet hair eraser quickly picks up loose fur, dust, crumbs, and dirt from furniture, carpets, hard floors, and car interiors without the hassle of dragging out a full-size vacuum. The cordless design allows you to move freely from room to room, while the specialized attachments improve cleaning performance on fabric surfaces where pet hair tends to collect. The easy empty dirt bin simplifies maintenance, and the lightweight body helps reduce fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Although it's intended for quick cleanups rather than whole-house vacuuming, it performs exceptionally well for daily pet maintenance and spot cleaning. Overall, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a reliable handheld vacuum that delivers strong cordless performance, effective pet hair removal, and convenient everyday cleaning for both home and vehicle use. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Handheld Vacuum Cordless Portable Car Vacuum with LED Light, High Power Suction, 3-in-1, Lightweight Rechargeable Hand Vacuum, Handheld Vacuum Cleaner for Car, Home, Office, Pet Hair. The BLACK+DECKER Handheld Vacuum Cordless is a versatile cleaning tool designed for quick cleanups in cars, homes, and offices. Featuring high-power suction, a lightweight cordless design, an integrated LED light, and multiple accessories for different cleaning tasks, it easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from tight spaces that larger vacuums often struggle to reach. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a closet, desk drawer, or vehicle, so it's always ready when messes happen. In real-world use, the powerful suction performs well on car seats, dashboards, furniture, keyboards, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. The built-in LED light helps illuminate dark corners under furniture or inside vehicles, making it easier to spot hidden dirt and debris. Its rechargeable battery provides the freedom to clean without power cords, while the included accessories expand its usefulness for multiple surfaces and cleaning situations. Although it isn't designed for large-scale floor cleaning, it excels at quick everyday maintenance and portable convenience. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER handheld vacuum cordless is an excellent choice for American buyers who want a lightweight, portable handheld vacuum with strong suction, useful accessories, and dependable performance for home, office, and vehicle cleaning. Number 5. BiPower Handheld Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable, Handheld Car Vacuum, 16,000 PA Strong Suction Hand Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable with multiple accessories, portable car vacuum cleaner for car home. The BiPower Handheld Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable is built for users who need powerful portable cleaning for cars, furniture, offices, and everyday household messes. Delivering up to 16,000 pascals of suction power, it effectively removes dust, pet hair, food crumbs, sand, and other debris from a variety of surfaces. Its cordless rechargeable design, lightweight construction, and multiple cleaning attachments make it easy to handle while providing the flexibility needed for both home and automotive cleaning tasks. During everyday use, the strong suction quickly cleans vehicle interiors, sofas, stairs, shelves, and other difficult-to-reach spaces without the limitations of a power cord. The included accessories allow users to clean narrow gaps, upholstery, and delicate surfaces more efficiently, while the rechargeable battery provides convenient portable operation throughout the home or garage. The easy-to-empty dust container helps simplify maintenance, making it practical for frequent use. Overall, the BiPower Handheld Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable is an excellent choice for American buyers seeking a powerful, portable handheld vacuum that combines strong suction, versatile accessories, and cordless convenience for everyday cleaning at home or on the go. Those are my top 5 cordless handheld vacuum picks. I hope this comparison helped you find the right model for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.